You cannot sugarcoat war. So of course we need to put factual, facts onto it, as to who are we fighting.
Bollywood biopics, especially when it comes to patriotic films, they're often known to be jingoistic a bit. There's a bit of chest thumping. I guess that's just there in the DNA. How will this film, perhaps, were you careful that it's a very brave story, but it also deals with negatives like perhaps the war, the trauma, what an army personnel goes through as well.
Consciously from the writing board, we've made an attempt to not digress from Captain Vikram Batra's story. We are not here to make a statement as to what happened, who did it, how and why. People already know that it's a factual war that was fought in '99. There's enough documented in public domain about it. We were predominantly wanted to tell you the journey of this soldier, the family that he comes from, the boy that he was before, the boy that he became, on the battlefield, the sacrifice that he made, that implies towards the family, towards his loved ones, is to get the human side of the story, is to get human side of war. You cannot sugarcoat war. So of course we need to put factual, facts onto it, as to who are we fighting. But I can assure you, every interaction with the enemy in the film is documented. It's whether in the interview that Captain Vikram Batra himself narrated, or whether documented by his comrades, or is in public domain for people to see. I feel when that comes in, it's something we were devoid of jingoism. We never needed that. Or consciously, we believe that it's not something that will aid to this, or that's not what we are aiming for in this film.
What's your take on war after acting in a film? I'm sure you haven't glorified it like you said earlier as well, but it's a reality. What is your thing? I mean, on gun violence, has it altered your viewpoint and your perspective?
No, for sure. I think even through this film, without digressing from the main story, I feel if an intellectual audience looks at it from a subtext point of view, you will see that there are no winners eventually in battle. There are some interesting scenes that are written in the first half and the second half of the film, where you're not spelling it out, but you're saying what the actual issue is. Everybody's trying to get one up from each other. No one's really winning. In battlefield, these are from small victory to the other. But see, it's a larger conversation. It's a much bigger subject, and it's involved so many other factors onto it. But that being said, we cannot sugarcoat war, but we'll hopefully try and show people the human side of it, and that I believe that eventually, or that's my personal take, that eventually there are no winners or losers in war. I mean both sides suffer the same.